just arrived at the bird hunt. We've got to be quiet. We're hoping to get some photographs.
Today's stage is wildlife photography, and this is why we are on our way to a hideout to observe some golden eagles. And at this point we will only whisper to each other because the birds are very shy and not used to humans a lot. And this will be a very silent day. We will stay in the hideout from sunrise to sunset. And this is extremely hard because you need to be ready for hours and then doing the shot in seconds. We got our headphones with us so we can listen to a little bit of music. Maybe somebody will fall asleep, it could happen. So let's see what we can get. Yeah, it's getting brighter now, and there are still 2 eagles left, but it's hard to shoot with the low light conditions, but it's fun to watch. So the wildlife, or especially the bird photography, is a lot about patience and waiting, because the birds are around all the time, but most of the time they are just eating or sitting, so we're waiting all the time for the nice scenes like a little bit of fighting or a little bit of movement, and that is why we need to keep our eyes on the birds all the time, but shooting not all the time, so it's very difficult to get the good shots.
아름다운 핀란드의 독수리들을 기다리면서 이곳에서 인사드립니다. 다음 주에는 눈 속을 가로지르는 자전거를 타는 팻바이크 여정이 이어지니까 또 함께 해주세요. 다음 주에 만나요.